Hello guys, in this video we are going to create a simple stopwatch using Python. So this is the code that we will be using to do that, and so let us see. So on the top place we are going to import the necessary libraries that we need in this tutorial. So I'm importing time module, and after that these are the instructions that we'll be printing to the output when we want to start the program. So press enter to start the stopwatch, and press Ctrl C to stop the stopwatch. So you can directly stop the code here in Google Colab rather than Ctrl C if it's not working for you. And when we go to the next part, it is an infinite while loop, and inside that we are going to include a try block and an except block. So and it enters that while loop, it will go into the try block and it will stay at input line till we press enter, and once we press enter it will take the time at that point of time into start time, and it will print to the output stopwatch started. It will go on executing the while loop without coming to the except block till we interrupt the program. So keyboard interrupt. So when there is an interruption, it will print stopwatch stopped, and it will take the time at that point into end time. So we are doing that by time dot time off, and then it will calculate the time difference between the end time and the start time and round it to the 3 digits after the decimal point, and it will print to the output. Once it has printed to the output, it will break out of the loop and the program is halted. So I have gone through the steps or the lines in the code. Let us try to run the code and see it. So I have run the code. So once I press enter, so stopwatch started. So the stopwatch is running. So when I want to stop the stopwatch, so I'll go and stop it. So there is an interrupt, and the total time is 14.652 seconds. So this is the total time between the start of the stopwatch and the time it has halted. So thank you. Hope you have learned something new. Have a great day. Thank you.